What is up, adept anglers? Today we are out here on the North Shore Channel. We're going to be doing a little bit of North Shore Channel, go down to the North Branch. Brisk and windy, but I got the kayak back there as long as it doesn't blow away. And we're going to go out here. We're going to try to get some crappie. Stay tuned and let's get this rocking. All right, today's been an interesting day. I've missed a really nice fish on that tube. Tried casting a few crankbaits afterwards, a few spinnerbaits, things like that, more aggressive things to see a target, a few bigger predator fish. No luck, so I'm gonna catch a few crappie, or at least attempt to catch a few crappie, and then on my way back I'm gonna work more jigs to see if I can get anything. So here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful fish. Oh. It's a nice fish there. Look at that, guys. Beautiful crappie. Right in the bottom lip. He whacked it. I felt him, man. Awesome hit. Awesome fish. It's hard not to fish for these guys, man, but I don't know, I felt like I had a good opportunity for other species today, so that's why I was trying. So we're gonna catch a few of these, and then yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna cast some lures and see what happens. Awesome fish. We finally found a spot out of the wind here. Oh, another one. Here we are. Look at that. Oh, what a fighter. What a fighter. Yeah, they seem to be stacked up here on this tree. I don't use any electronics or anything, but just do a lot of casting, man. I probably put a lot more effort in than many others because I don't have the electronics. I can get them, but you just learn much more this way, going in. There he is. Oh, that's not him. A very fresh fish, though. But that's not the fish we were looking for. All right, I'm gonna go to that blue and chrome now. Check it out. A little bit heavier jig as well. Oh, right in the tree. So when you get in the tree like that, you just keep those tight wiggles and you just keep it going, and you're free. Oof, that was a lot of layers of branches. Off the tree, hopefully right into a fish's mouth. There's one. Oh yeah, nice healthy Chicago River crappie. This guy does not look like he's been caught before. His eyes were freaking out. He was like looking all over the place at me. So wild. Beautiful fish. Going in for the release. There's one. Nice little small guy. There we are. I mean, it is very chilly out here, guys. Right in the tip of the lip. Very, very chilly out here. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to stay out of the wind as best as possible, but it just seems like it's impossible to do that today. Tried to get some bass. Today did not work out. I just could not get hooked up. I lost one real big fish early. I actually saw a northern pike swimming in the shallows. So yeah, but as far as right now, we are just crappie fishing, so going in for the release. Salt and pepper. Who doesn't like a little saison? That's a behind the shoulders. Oh, yeah, that's a really good fighter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Woo! This guy drugged me under the boat and everything. What a fighter! Woo! Oh man, guys, what a beautiful crappie. Look at that. Took the jig right in the corner there. Salt and pepper. Who doesn't like a little saison? That's what seems to be doing the trick today. Salt and pepper. Beautiful, beautiful crappie. Alright guys, we're gonna throw the blue and chrome. Give it a go. There's one. Woo. Oh. Ow. Oof. What a beautiful fish, guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful specimen, man. One of my this is my absolute top favorite fish. Black crappie. Ghost. These things are so quick, and you have to be quick. And these things have only elevated my angling ability, having to adapt to these. If you can get a hook set on these consistently, you're well on your way, folks. They're so quick. Great fish. Oh, this one had a lot of fight in them, a lot of jump. Very specific area, man. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys next Friday with another GeoFishing exclusive. Peace. There's one. Oh. What is this? What is this? What the hell did I hook? Unless I snagged something. What the hell is this? I have not. Oh, it got off. Fuck. Man, that was something nice, dude. I didn't even get to see it. That thing pulled me all the way out. Oh, it was strong. It hit it too, because I lifted up I lifted it up and he hit it. He slammed it. Today's something different, man. I really want to know what that was. That was a big fish. Ah, boy, did he whack it. And he pulled me. He's pulled me all the way out to the middle of the river and still fought. I mean, I got it all on video. Man, I really wonder what that was. That was such a strong fish, but like you could just feel him. He was solid. Like, it's wild. Didn't even get to see him.